Hi guys, what day is it?
It's
Tuesday! So we're heading down to Port Tampa. We're gonna get on the Paradise, our home away from home. And we're gonna have some fun. And this is only a quarter of the group.
I'm excited, Jack.
Go, Jack.
I am. And look,
But I'm
we're all
trying to
Hawaiian.
drive and do this video at the same time.
Yeah. Jack, watch out for this park semi.
Oh, look out.
Oh, gosh, Jack. Oh.
Anyway, so we'll see you at the terminal.
Hopefully.
See you.
Hopefully.
Bye. Say bye.
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 I'm good. Do what?
This way, guys. Get everybody walking up. Stand right here. Stand up. Let them know. How did that go?
Getting there. What?
You're so sexy. 6 beers, Pat.
Don't trip
What are you
this
doing up
time.
here? Good. Pat, Pat. Pat, Pat.
Yeah, Pat.
Here we are from G5 on the Carnival Paradise, looking at the grandeur of the seas, and the Serenade, which you can't see it, is behind us. She misses you more, Chris, because she thinks Kevin's sexy. We miss you guys. Oh, and by the way, you never did say you booked the cruise in June. Oh, you did. Never mind. Never mind. My fault, as always. Don't do it. Bye. Don't do it. All right, the whole crazy group is here. Danny was gonna steal his scooter. Not too many people out here, I guess, because it's so hot on Embarkation Day. Go, go. She just carjacking, scooter jacking. Scooter jacking. Scooter jacking. I've seen her drive a car. You don't want to see her drive that thing. Here we are with Lisa. What you got, Lisa?
I have a chocolate martini.
Chocolate martini. Why?
Because they're so good.
Because they're good. Here I am with T-O-double-D on
You go out there looking for us.
MIC!
RJ and Danny. You would have to find him, and he found us.
Where's Waldo? They
Oh,
found me.
RJ, where's he at? Danny, you know what the problem is?
It's just keeping hydrated, that's all.
Exactly.
No, I know my friends. They're keeping hydrated there.
Thank you, buddy. We'll see you at the captain's thing. I mean the diamond thing.
I'm coming up to find you like 2 seconds.
All right. Serenade of the Seas. As always.
We lost Billy.
Grandeur of the seas
He never made it with us.
here in Tampa.
And all of this stuff over here, all that like.
Grandeur of the seas.
Yeah, it goes down the stairs, but it just doesn't come up the same way. Yeah, I told her about the scooter down the stairs, and she told me no.
have to find other friends. That right there is called Beer Can Island, otherwise known as Pine Island. You hear me? But that's where we go to party. When do we go out on our boat, right, Jack? Huh? When do we go out on our boat? Yeah, back in 19... We got horns going everywhere. 1997 was the last time we went out on boat. That's not true. We went in April. All right. All the way from St. Petersburg, right outside the boat. Anyway, so what channel do you watch? Thank you very much. Where are we going, baby?
We're going to dinner.
Dinner, baby. I am
hungry.
so hungry. I didn't eat lunch. I didn't eat. Oh, I did eat lunch, didn't I?
did.
Sorry,
I did not.
I had
I'm
a
hungry. Here
rice
I go.
bowl from
Here
the
we go.
Blue Iguana Cantina.
And we're hungry.
And we're very hungry. So we'll see you there. All right, here we are with just your first name. What is it? What's your name? Devin. Y'all watch Party of Two Cruising? Is that your favorite channel? That's awesome.
Thank you.
Are y'all big cruisers? Where are y'all from? Virginia? That's a long way from here. Did y'all drive? You drove? Oh God. You should fly. All right. Well, you want to keep on watching, right? What should everybody do? Watch it and hit that. What did you say? Hit that subscribe button. Well, thank you, buddy. Have a fun cruise, okay? When do you go back to school? Where we at, babe?
All right, where we at?
We hope. It was kind of a mess.
3, 4.
Yep, there it goes.
Happy sailing.
Carnival did on CD, but it's okay.
It's okay. It crashed. The system crashed. We lost our
It's all
tables,
good.
and
It's all good.
we're good.
Thank you, Carnival.
We'll bring it to you in a second.
That's terrible.
All right, my first appetizer, shrimp cocktail. Second appetizer, roasted tomato soup. Danny got strawberry soup. What the heck is strawberry soup?
It has a heart.
That's weird right there. My third appetizer is Caesar salad. Harry's entree, chicken parmesan. That looks so yummy. My entree, salmon. All right, I got tiramisu for dessert, and Cherry got same thing. I ordered it for her, tiramisu for dessert. I'm gonna eat half hers. I'm a pig. Danny got chocolate melting cake, peanut butter, and vanilla ice cream. What is wrong with you?
It's delicious.
It's good with peanut butter.
So good. It's so good.
Serenade of the Seas on a beautiful night. Good evening.
It's about we're going to bed.
About that time. It's about 11:30. We've had a long day. We had a long night last night, so time to go to bed. So anyway, paradise was what it is, always is,
We're having fun.
and it's time to
Oh God.
drink up and go to bed. Say bye.
Wait, we gotta finish this.
Oh, and my lei went
martini.
in the ocean.
Oh, he lost his
I
lei.
polluted the ocean. It blew off.
Take a drink, Lovey. We're
Alright.
finishing out the martini and then we're going to bed. Ooh, so good.
You know why we drink those, right? You know, because they're good.
So good, and we're going to bed. Get some bell. Help us sleep. Right, Lovey?
Yep.
Good night.
All right, see you in the morning.
Good night.
Sea day tomorrow, by the way.
Yeah.
On our way to Bimini.
I love you.
Take care.
Bye-bye. Good night.